Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900. With approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in solid driving condition and is offered with a clean title. The truck is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine, mated to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, providing both reliability and satisfying power on the road. The exterior is finished in a bold and eye-catching yellow, perfectly contrasted by a beautiful red interior that adds a touch of retro charm. Inside, the extended cab offers extra room for passengers or storage, making it a practical choice for weekend cruising or daily driving. The truck is equipped with cold, fully functional air conditioning to keep the cabin comfortable in any weather, and a custom stereo system complete with a subwoofer for rich, high-quality sound.
Number 2.
1994 GMC 1500, price $6,900. With 147,000 original miles on the odometer, this rear-wheel drive truck features a 355.7L TBI V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and dependable driving. It runs and drives excellently, with cold air conditioning, a warm heater, and zero suspension noise. The truck has a silver exterior and a gray interior, both of which are in excellent shape. It was professionally repainted a few years ago, and the interior has been kept equally clean and tidy. The owner has recently installed a number of new parts, including front shocks, front brakes, spark plugs, a belt tensioner, and a new battery, showing consistent attention to maintenance. This GMC 1500 is ready to serve as a daily driver and comes with a clean blue Texas title. As a bonus, the seller is including a brand new subwoofer box and a new pair of Infinity 12-inch subwoofers with the sale.
Number 3.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, with 160,000 miles, featuring a red exterior, black interior, and powered by a 305 V8 with a mild cam. It's paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission with a shift kit, delivering a smooth and responsive ride. The truck runs and drives very well, making it a fun and reliable driver. Performance upgrades include a dual-plane intake for barrel carb, long tube headers into cherry bombs, an electric fuel pump with regulator, and a newer gas tank. It also has new spark plugs, ignition coil, distributor cap and rotor, vacuum advance, and a fuel filter. The truck sits on new tires and includes power steering, power brakes, a new master cylinder with a brake bleed,
and fresh window tint.
New LED headlights are installed, with the original halogen bulbs included. Known flaws include rust on the driver's side floor pan, though a replacement panel is included, and some minor rust bubbles in the paint. Overall, it's a strong-running C10 with solid mechanical updates and great potential.
Number 4.
1966 Ford F250, price $4,000, powered by a 352 FE V8 engine and a 4-speed NP435 manual transmission. With around 150,000 miles, it features a blue exterior and interior and runs, drives, starts, and stops reliably. Recent updates include a new Holley 2-barrel carburetor, ignition system, exhaust, timing set, master cylinder, shocks, all 4 brakes, and fresh fluids and filters. All lights, signals, and wipers work, and the heater functions, though it's weaker than modern systems. Cosmetically, the truck shows it's 59 years. It has a 1970s hood, rough bodywork, a weak bed, and a leaky cab. Previous owners used spray foam to seal problem areas. There's an occasional lifter tick, but everything under the valve covers looks good. Despite the wear, it remains a strong-running vintage truck.
Number 5.
1986 Chevrolet K10, price $8,000. It has traveled approximately 180,000 miles. It runs on gasoline and offers a blend of performance and vintage charm. Under the hood, it is powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with a rebuilt carburetor, delivering reliable performance. The truck features a 4-speed manual transmission with a strong clutch, providing solid and responsive shifting. This short bed model sits high thanks to a body lift and rides on aggressive general grabber tires, giving it a commanding presence both on and off the road. Though it has some light rust, the overall body remains in solid condition. Additional highlights include a roll bar, an extra seat, and various spare parts that come with the truck, making it a versatile option for restoration or recreational use.
Number 6.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,000, reliable truck that's best suited for use on a farm or as a weekend utility vehicle. With approximately 113,000 miles on the odometer, it features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in black, complemented by a gray interior. Under the hood, it boasts a newer Target 350 engine equipped with headers, delivering strong and dependable performance. Recent upgrades include a new battery, radiator, front brakes, and exhaust system, ensuring improved reliability and drivability.
The tires are in good condition, adding to the vehicle's roadworthiness.
While the headliner is in poor shape, the rest of the truck is in decent overall condition.
Number 7.
1985 Dodge D150, price $6,500. This is a well-maintained 2WD truck featuring a 318 V8 engine, offering a perfect blend of power and reliability. With 90,000 miles on the odometer, it still has plenty of life left for both daily driving and occasional hauling.
The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, making it easy to drive.
Its tan exterior provides a timeless, classic appearance, while the interior remains in excellent condition, ensuring comfort for both the driver and passengers. Running on gasoline, the D150 is an ideal choice for those seeking a dependable, vintage truck with great potential for work or leisure.
Number 8.
1989 Ford F250, price $10,000. The truck has traveled 78,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine in good condition. It features an automatic transmission and has a blue exterior and blue interior. The truck comes with power steering for easier handling. While the engine and interior are in great shape, the exterior has been affected by prolonged outdoor exposure, with the paint condition deteriorating over time. There is also a dent on the right side of the truck bed caused by a tree falling. The rubber seal around the windows needs to be replaced, and the electric driver's side window requires repair. The truck is equipped with an electric plug and a hitch for towing, making it a practical vehicle for hauling or towing.
Number 9.
1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000. It is equipped with a TBI 454 engine paired with the SM465 manual transmission, which ensures solid performance and durability. The truck features a blue exterior and blue interior. The truck's overall condition reflects its careful maintenance over the years, with the pedal pads showing minimal wear, suggesting it hasn't been used excessively.
It runs and drives with ease, supported by newer tires and refinished wheels that enhance its appearance and functionality.
Additionally, the truck has been updated with 2 new fuel tanks and fuel pumps, ensuring reliable fuel delivery. Other recent upgrades include a new starter, fresh spark plugs, new wires, and a new air filter, all of which contribute to its smooth operation and excellent mechanical condition.
Number 10.
1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,000. It has traveled 186,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is black, while the interior features a blue color scheme. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 454 engine paired with a TH400 transmission. The truck only requires a rear driveshaft, making it a solid candidate for repairs. Recently, the truck has undergone several updates, including new lights, a new steering wheel, for new tires, a new belt, a few pulleys, a distributor, plugs and wires, a radio, a new battery, a key tumbler, and both headlight and taillight lenses. The oil was changed just 213 miles ago.
Additionally, the truck has been C-notched and is equipped with rear airbag suspension for improved ride quality.